Okay, so now we are going to start with week number 35. Wow, can you believe it? Week number 35 already. Okay, so this week is full of work, okay? We have all of our days. So let's begin. On our first class on Monday, listen, it's going to be super easy, okay? I'm going to present to you some new vocabulary, 3 different scenarios, and we're going to talk about them. What is an alley? What is a dumpster? What is a street? All of those things. And then we're going to play a little bit with our sense of smell. We're going to try and figure out how they smell and what do we think about them. Then we're going to discuss what would happen if there was no water anymore. Okay, we're going to see what would happen. Is it good? Is it not good? What can we do to avoid it? And then we are going to explore the causes and effect of that phenomenon. And we're going to see a small video on water pollution. Okay, we're going to see what is happening with the water in our world. And we're going to discuss a little bit about that. And that is it for that class. Okay, and now for our 1:30 p.m. class, it's going to be super easy. We're going to study 2 different subjects. First, the SH and the CH sounds. Okay, we're going to remember them. I'm going to show you some new words with these sounds, and then we are going to take our tray with powder. Okay, I'm going to play a track for you, and each time we hear a word beginning with the sound sh, we are going to make a wavy line on our powder. And every time we hear a ch sound, we are going to stamp all of our hand on the powder, okay? So it's going to be super easy. And then for the second part, we are going to be studying actions and their consequences. I'm going to show you a series of actions and what is going to happen, okay? Whether it's good or bad. We're going to work on that. We're going to predict what is happening, and then we're going to page number 34 on our English book. We're going to see the actions that we have there, and we're going to match the actions to the consequences, okay? And that's everything for that class. Okay, so now on Tuesday, it's going to be super easy, okay? We are going to remember a little bit of trash and how we classify it: organic paper, plastic, glass, and metal. And then we're going to see which trash goes where. You guys are going to have some objects I asked you for. And then to finish, after all of that, we are going to take our containers and we are going to start separating the trash. Okay, my beautiful children? So that's it for that class. And then at 11:15 a.m., we have class with group number 1. It's going to be super easy. We're going to work with our with our logical thinking. Okay, so we are going to find the way through some mazes. So they're going to be super easy, don't worry. And when we finish with that, we are going to work again with trash, okay? We're going to remember the kinds of trash we have, and after that, we're going to take our piece of paper and we're going to draw 5 trash cans and the trash that corresponds to each one. Something like this, okay? When we finish, then we're going to draw some lines, and using our yarn and our glue, we are going to match the trash to the trash can in different forms, okay? Well, in different lines. And that's it for Tuesday, my beautiful children. Now, for Wednesday, my beautiful children, super easy. We are going to be talking once again about trash. Okay, we're going to decide what are the things I can reuse, what are the things I can reuse, and what are the things I can recycle. I'm going to help you with that. And then we are going to talk about places, okay? What places do you prefer? Dirty places, places with trash, or clean places, okay? I'm going to show you a series of places, dirty versus clean, and we're going to discuss that. Then when we finish, we are going to take our material, our papers, blue, green, yellow, brown, and red, and we're going to make some trash cans, okay? To classify our trash. And then we're going to draw some of the things I can put in the paper container or in the paper trash can, or what are the things I can put in the plastic trash can, and all of that. So we're going to take all of that in consideration. I asked you for some old magazines. If you don't have that, we can use our pencil and we can draw, okay? So no worries, that's what's going to happen on Wednesday. Now we are moving on to Thursday, okay? On Thursday, it is super easy what we're going to do. We are going to review some new vocabulary, okay? I'm going to present it to you like newspaper, lid, wrappers, okay? I sent you a whole list of the new vocabulary, and then we're going to play a little fun game called I Have, Who Has. So I'm going to show you, I'm going to say, I have newspaper. Who has wrappers? And if you guys you guys chose to have the wrappers cut out, then you guys are going to show me and you guys are going to repeat the same thing. I have wrappers. Who has newspaper? Okay, or I have wrappers. Who has plastic bags? And that's how we're going to continue with the game. When we finish, I'm going to show you some random objects so you can tell me if that is trash or if that is not trash, okay? When we finish, then we're finally going out to page 55 on our English book, and we're going to trace and color our garbage truck. Okay, my beautiful children, that's how we're going to finish with this class on Thursday. And then at 12:45 p.m. I have class with group number 2. So what we are going to do is we are going to work again with our mathematical thinking, okay? So, logical thinking. We are going to work through some mazes. We have to match a few things. And then, when we finish with that, we are going to talk about trash, okay? How I can classify my trash: organic, paper, plastic, glass, metal, what goes in which trash can. And then we are going to take our paper and we're going to draw 5 trash cans, one for each category. And then we're going to draw in front 5 materials or 5 objects that I can put on that specific trash can. Okay? And then we're going to draw a line, a curvy, wavy, zigzag line from the object to the trash can. And then with our yarn and our glue, we're going to match the object to the trash can. And that's what we are going to do on this class. For our class on Friday, we're going to work something super simple, okay? We're going to review some of the vocabulary that we have been studying about trash, okay? Like maybe newspaper or garbage truck, or maybe wrapper, plastic bag, all of that, okay, bottle. We're going to see some of that vocabulary, and then you guys are going to take your trash bag, the one that I asked you to have with some random objects. You are going to close your eyes and you're going to put your hand inside the trash can. And you're going to tell us what you are feeling, okay? What are your hands touching? Then you are going to take it out to see if what we all thought that you were touching is really what it is, okay? Then when we finish, I'm going to read to you the first part of the story called Kitty Quest. Okay, it's going to be interesting, it's going to be a short story, and then I'm gonna ask you some random questions about that. If you answer wrong, then you guys have to jump 5 times, okay? When we finish with that, we're going to page 37 on our book, and then we're going to decorate the shiny box that is part of the Kitty Quest story. So remember, for this page, I ask you to have shiny materials, recycled materials, wrappers, aluminum foil, whatever you have. I don't need it to be new. Remember, we are talking about recycling, reducing, and reusing. So that's what we're going to do on this class. And then, finally, my beautiful children, that is it. No more classes, no more work for week number 35. I hope you guys enjoyed the activities, and please take care of yourselves. Remember, I love you, and I cannot wait till we meet again on the next video. Bye-bye.